Christmas. Wish you lazy Mintyoreos, Stacy. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds. So for 4 calling birds, I thought I'd use this video to call for some birds. Hello, birds? Are you in there? Birds? I guess not. There's no birds here. Birds, hello? Is birds here? Birds? Birds? Nope. Oh, don't want to break this. Birds? 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 Birds, are you in pizza? Birds? No? No birds? How do I? Oh, no birds. No birds. Just thin crust. Birds, are you in mangoes? Birds? Birds? No birds? Birds? Hello? I don't know, do you guys see birds? Birds? No birds. There's a hole, but no birds. Birds, are you in the pickles? Birds! Is there birds in here? Birds? Birds? No birds? Birds, are you up here? Birds? 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 No? Birds? Birds? No, pineapple, not birds. Birds? 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 I don't see you. Birds? Are you in the trees? Birds? No birds, just snow. Birds? Hello? Birds? Are you in the tap hole? I guess not. Birds? I don't think there's birds in there. Birds? No birds. Bird? No. Hippo with glasses. Ducks are birds, right? Birds. Hollow birds. Very Sunday-like, so holy. Much spirituality. Oh no, one lost its bling. Look. Oh, they've got bling on and then the other one fell off. I want to be a badass birdie with bling. It says loon bank. That's so loony. Knee slapper, that was awful. And since I called for birds, on the 12 days of Christmas, shit repeats itself. The 3 French hens.
Ici on a laat, panderen en kut.
These 2 turtle doves and the fucking partridge in a pear tree. I know I don't look like a partridge in a pear tree, but I'm pretty bird-like, okay? Yeah, I can be bird-like. Tweet, 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 tweet. I'm kind of in a hurry today, so I thought I would just do some swaying. Because everybody wants to watch me sway. actually, I'm gonna do an outfit video. I hope you guys enjoy it. After a moments of nothing but sheer fuckery, I forgot to conclude the video while I was downstairs. So, in conclusion, right here, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys join me tomorrow for my next video. Say hello or something or other down yonder slot if you got anything to say. If you're just joining me or just subscribed, feel free and open to saying hello to everybody. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, do subscribe and join my dark side. We have cookies. Many cookies. And my cookies are always sweet as fuck. And for those of you who are just joining me as well, if you aren't aware yet, or if you aren't just joining me and or have been here for a bit and maybe just are unaware, I have a giveaway going on for leggings of your choice. The giveaway link will be at the top of the description. All you have to do is click on it and do what it says, and then you can get multiple entries for more than one chance at a pair of your favorite leggings. If you just enjoy the leggings and maybe don't want to anticipate possibly winning a giveaway, then you are very much open to buying some off of LuckyBabe.com, who is the company that sponsored this awesome giveaway for all y'all beautiful people. So, they are very much affordable. I got nothing bad to say, only positive things. And all that will be down yonder. My links are always down yonder, like you will see in my ending clip, like usual. And for those of you who are on mobile and don't get my click over links for my ending 2 videos where I show you my last videos, those links are always down below as well. If you wanted to check out those videos and you couldn't click on the screen to get to them. Yup. You guys have a good one. I love you. Stay sweet as fuck. Toodles. I don't know. And since today is the third day of Christmas,